Cracking the code, distance, rate, and time word problems. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most commonly tested topics in the GMAT and GRE Math sections: distance, rate, and time word problems. You'll encounter these problems in real-life scenarios, so mastering them will not only help you ace the test but also navigate real-world situations. The relationship between distance, rate, and time is summed up in a simple formula. Distance equals rate times time. If you know any two of these values, you can easily find the third. Keep this formula in mind, as it will be the backbone of most problems you'll encounter. Distance. It refers to how far something has traveled. It's usually measured in kilometers or miles. Rate. This is often called speed in everyday language. It tells us how fast something is moving. Common units include kilometers per hour, kilometer per hour, or miles per hour, mph. Time. Time indicates how long the journey took. You might see this in hours, minutes, or even seconds. 1. Two objects moving towards each other. If two cars start at opposite ends of a road and drive towards each other, you'll add their rates together when determining how fast they're closing the gap. 2. One object chasing another. If one car is chasing another, and they're both moving in the same direction, you'll subtract the rate of the slower car from the faster car to determine the rate at which the distance between them is decreasing. 3. Standing still versus moving. If one object is stationary, you'll only consider the rate of the moving object. Remember, always sketch a quick diagram or chart to visualize these scenarios. It can be a great aid. Problem. Anna starts biking from her home at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. 2 hours later, Bob starts biking from the same place, trying to catch up with Anna. If Bob's biking speed is 15 kilometers per hour, how long will it take Bob to catch up with Anna? Solution. First, calculate the distance Anna has covered in the 2 hours before Bob started. Distance equals rate times time. Distance equals 10 kilometers per hour times 2h equals 20 kilometers. Now, determine the relative speed of Bob trying to catch up. Bob's speed relative to Anna equals Bob's speed. Anna's speed equals 15 kilometers per hour minus 10 kilometers per hour equals 5 kilometers per hour. Finally, calculate the time it will take Bob to cover that 20 kilometers gap at a relative speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Time equals distance divided by rate. Time equals 20 kilometers divided by 5 kilometers per hour equals 4 hours. So, Bob will catch up with Anna in 4 hours. And that wraps up our session on distance, rate, and time word problems. By understanding the basic formula and visualizing common scenarios, you're well on your way to confidently tackling any problem on this topic. We hope this video has been insightful, and we wish you all the best in your GMAT and GRE preparations. See you in the next one.